Not what we've come to think of as summer in Greece. It's the last week of June and the rain just doesn't stop. There's no point in going sailing, especially as we have guests on board. In between downpours, I remembered I had a maintenance task to complete. So this is the offending part. It goes at the top of the mast. This sends down a signal with the wind direction, and this measures wind speed. But it's not working, and it's 18 years old. It's been replaced by a different part, which they'll sell you for quite a bit of money. I really need to try and fix this or find somebody who's got one. Step 1, go up the mast. Okay. There's only one person I trust at the other end of the rope. Our mast is just 18 meters tall, but each time I have to go up it seems higher. Halfway up and the rain clouds still threaten. Finally at the top, and I swap out the malfunctioning part.